objects. So I'm going to click this, click on the Format Painter, which I have in the Quick Access toolbar, and click this. Boom. That's kind of cool. Now, you probably know that there are notes, comments are now called notes. But the old comment or the new note still looks kind of boring. If I do review and I give a new note, it looks like that. Boring. They all look like that. So let me undo that. But how about a note that looks like that? Or like this? So let's show you how you can convert your old note or comment, whatever, into something pretty fancy. So I'll put a new one in here. I'll do a new note. And I'll say, this is a cool comment and not boring. Well, so far it still is. I click on the border of the comment. If the cursor is blinking inside it, it's not going to work. Click on the border, no cursor. I then Control-1 to format it. In Colors and Lines tab, in color, there's fill effects. In fill effects, I can do all sorts of things, including picture a pattern. I can bring in a picture. Let's select a picture. Let's do a Bing image search of tiger. And all right, I'll do that one. Insert. That's why I got that in there. But I could also have a gradient fill, 2 colors. Color 1, let's make it yellow, and color, let's make it, in the United States, we have Halloween, which is orange and black. So from orange to black, and we'll do it from the center to that one. Okay, okay, and there's that comment. Now, how about the shape? Well, I have to change the shape. So while I'm here, I will do notes, edit note. And I have a change shape tool in the quick access, not switch windows. Here it is, change shape, which you can always add to your quick access toolbar. And I can pick in any shape I want that I have in here. Let's do that just for kicks. Boom. You get the idea. Okay. You probably know this, but it's good to know anyway. If I want this, and I use the fill handle, I'm sorry, the Format Painter to do that, I can keep the Format Painter alive by double clicking it. So it's alive. And once I've made it alive by double clicking, I can click it again or hit the escape key to make it normal. We already talked about go to Z. The fill handle you can use to drag and delete. If I select these, if I drag this up with the Shift key, it removes them and drags the others up along with it. Shift, drag up. Without the Shift key, it'll just fill up. It'll empty it, which is cool also. Registry, double find macro, edit. You can save information in the registry, so you can communicate between sessions of Excel or between different workbooks. So I'm going to do a message box on something called get setting. And I'm not going to spend much time on this. You can look up get setting. It has 4 parameters. If I do that, it says nothing yet. So I'm going to save something in this registry. These are the keys to that registry. I made it up. I'm saving very cool in here. Boom. And if I now do get registry, if I exited Excel, went to if I shut the machine down, shut it back, turn it back on, run this code, it says very cool because it's saved in the registry. And here I can delete that setting. I could have a main of A, or if I do save setting, I have the app name, the section name, the key name, and the setting. So if I just do delete the app name, it deletes all the ones under it. So now when I do this, it's going to go back to nothing yet. Okay, moving along. Merge.